Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about numbers. So let's get started. You could be asked the question, what's your favourite number? My favourite number is 7. Or I hold 7 in the highest of regard. Are you good at remembering phone numbers? Yes, I can remember a few important phone numbers. Or I do have the ability to recall several significant phone numbers. Do you usually use numbers? Yes, numbers are a part of our everyday life. Indeed, numbers play an integral role in our daily routines. Are you good at maths? I find maths a bit challenging, but I manage. Whilst I don't consider myself a math prodigy, I am capable of handling mathematical concepts. What numbers are important to you? Important numbers to me include my phone number and my family members' birthdays. Numbers that hold significance for me encompass my contact number as well as the birthdays of my family members. Will you need to use numbers in your future work? Yes, numbers are part of many professions. Absolutely, numerical skills are often required in various professional fields. Next up, we have a very short and precise reading passage. Please go along with me. The appeal of favourite numbers. Humans have an affinity for certain numbers, as they hold personal significance. Number 7 is considered lucky in many cultures. Remembering phone numbers is valuable, as phone numbers connect us to other people in our lives. So memorizing phone numbers can be extremely advantageous. The understanding of numbers is crucial, as they are indispensable in our everyday daily life. Numbers are always used in finance, cooking, and many more fields. Mathematics is essential in many professions, as mathematical concepts are used in problem solving and enhancing decision making. Numbers can trigger joy, nostalgia, and reflection by evoking emotions such as special dates that hold sentimental value. Numbers will remain important in the future. Numerical literacy is crucial for understanding trends, and interpreting and working with numbers is valuable. So, a pretty short reading passage today. Next up is our range of vocabulary and expressions for you to incorporate into your daily life. Numerical literacy. Intrinsic. Pivotal role. Cultural beliefs. Numerology. Affinity. Lucky number. Significance. Recall. Digital age. Indispensable. Proficiency. Foundation. Practical application. Predictions. Sentimental value. Nostalgia. Advantageous. Trends. Data analysis. Numerical literacy. Navigate. Precision. Ubiquity. Hold a special place. Play a pivotal role. Drawn to in the digital era. Multiply beyond practical applications. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing activity. Please have a go at putting some of these in your own words at home with me. What's your favourite number? You could say, do you have a preferred number? Or are you good at remembering phone numbers? You could say, can you easily recall phone numbers? Do you usually use numbers? Is it common for you to work with numbers? For statements, I'm really good at memorizing phone numbers. Instead, why don't you say, remembering phone numbers is something I excel at? Mathematics has always been a subject I struggle with. Instead, you could say, dealing with maths has constantly posed challenges for me. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions, but you're on your own with that. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.